guys, today we're going to make Urad jalebi, which is also called instant jalebi. It's very delicious and crunchy, with also juicy with the sugar syrup. So let's get started with the ingredients. 1 cup of urad dal. We soak this in water all night. Now we're going to blend it into a nice smooth paste. Now we've blended it into a nice smooth paste. Half a cup of all-purpose flour, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric, or you may add food colouring. So we're going to mix those ingredients together to make the jalebi batter. It's that simple and easy. Plus it works. And we're going to whisk that together. The ingredients for the sugar syrup is 1 cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of water, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and green cardamoms. Firstly, we're going to pour in our sugar, and then our water into one pot. It's very simple and easy this. Put in your green cardamoms for flavouring, and then your lemon juice. Then let this come to a boil on the cooker. Once it has come to a boil like this, we're going to turn the flame off and leave it at the side. Now with this mixture, we're going to fill a piping bag. Just place it in a cup and open it up so it's easier to fill in. And it'll come out like that. Now in piping hot oil, we're going to deep fry our jalebis on a low flame. Just make the shape of your jalebis however you want. And move it around carefully and slowly. And let them fry solid hard. After this, we're going to put them in the sugar syrup. Make sure you drain out the oil before. Make sure you move them around within the sugar syrup. And our sugar syrup is nice and thick, so it'll be coated in it. So here we have our instant jalebi or Urad jalebi. We're just going to garnish it with a little bit of pistachios because we like the little bit of extra crunch. You do not need to do this. It's nice on its own. It's nice and crunchy and soft and juicy at the same time. So here we have our instant jalebi or Urad jalebi. Very simple and easy. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.